Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. This is going to be a good one because I need you to help me decide what we're going to do. Alright, see you in a sec. Alright guys, so I kind of got everything kind of started and set up a little bit, but there's a lot that I needed to do. So, got my chisels, got my other tools for my lathe, and all the pin blanks. These aren't even all of them, or the pin kits. This is just some of the pin kits that I have right now. So, I just kind of put some out, made it kind of nice looking. Yeah, it's kind of pretty, ain't it? Kind of like a keyboard. Fisher-Price keyboard, I guess. So, let's start with some of them. We got the DuraClick Everyday, the EDC. This is a perfume pendant. I got a bottle opener keychain. I think I got like 8 of these. These are kind of cool looking, I think. Look those up. That's a lipstick pin, or like what I like to call it for men, a pocket pin. It is a great, great pin to carry in your pocket. Here's like another everyday style pin, the Stratus. A toothpick keychain. We got the Anvil EDC. This is a golf pin. I think I've made this on the channel. Has a little golf tee, fits into a golf cart, so you can actually write your score down. You guys remember the Wormwood video? Well, guess what? We're going to make some of these and sell them at a reasonable price. The Sketch Pencil. We have the Navigator, one of my favorite pen kits. Beautiful, beautiful pen. This, the 50 cal. The Slimline Pro. You know, for a cheap kit, these are really, really nice. Very, very nice pen kits. And they use a gel insert. And then, one that you guys have never seen on the channel, this is the Grenade. So that's just a good selection. I do have the Majestic Rollerball. That is for a order that somebody has asked for. And we are going to get that going. And then pin blanks. Lots and lots of pin blanks. And wood. I love these things. I know a lot of people think they're ugly, but God, I think they're really pretty. Especially after you turn these things. This just, screw everybody that doesn't like them. But I love them. I think I even got some. I can't wait to turn some of these ones. They're cut on the diagonal. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Got these from PSI. I think I even got some more in here. Yep. Like this guy right here. Look at it. Look like Southwest colors. Gorgeous. Anyway. Alright guys. So that's what we're dealing with. Let me know what you guys would like to see from this selection right here. It has to be from this selection. If it's not from this selection, really hurting me. So, this is video number 1 out of 30. I know it's not being made, but if I ain't organized and I can't find it, guess what? I can't make it. So, kind of cheating a little bit, yes. But, video 1 out of 30. Let me know what you guys would like to see. If nobody says anything, I'm probably going to start with an EDC. I do like these. And then on top of it, I'm going to sell each and every single one of these. So I guess I'm going to set up a website so I can sell these. So you see the pen? That's what will be sold. It's not going to be order, this pen. So, all right. Let me guys know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. All right.